Hi, I'm Brad from Infiltrator Water Technologies, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to put this Infiltrator pipe adapter onto an Infiltrator IM series tank. There's two arrows, one here and one here. These arrows are going to line up to the inlet. The other arrow is going to be towards the outlet. So you align this arrow and then you hear it snap in. It locks in there. You have to remember that. So after you have your alignment arrows lined up and in the slots, I take a white grease pen, mark it here, mark the tank. The next step is going to be to apply your epoxy. In Oregon and Washington, we use the E6100. Other states use Infiltrator's ISI 1500. And what we're going to do is we're going to apply a continuous, generous bead of epoxy on this inner raised part right here, all the way around. Right. And then on the bottom of our pipe adapter, we're going to apply it all the way in this whole cup around the side. The other thing is there's going to be a slot here, a slot here, a slot here, and a slot here for this pipe adapter ring to lock into. You need to apply epoxy to all four of these to get a watertight fit. So now I'm going to apply the sealer. Applied epoxy around the bead. I've hit every single hole. I've got my four slots here with epoxy in it. I have epoxy in my ring all the way around here. I'm going to go ahead, line up my alignment arrows and my white grease pen mark, and go ahead and set this thing down. Stop. Okay, so we have our pipe adapter on here. We are ready to use a 3/8 inch socket, and we're going to tighten these in a star pattern, just like on your truck or your favorite race car. And remember not to over tighten them. So now that we have our pipe adapter on, now you could use the riser of your choice. Ultra rib pipe. Today we're using this black pipe right here. That'll just fit right over that pipe adapter. But first, you need to put epoxy here, some epoxy here. You put it on, quarter turn, you're good to go. I'm Brad, and that's your pro tip for the day. Thank you for watching.